Good morning! We are now in the Acropolis view. As you can see, this is our last day in Greece, last full day, and we're gonna go home tomorrow. So let's explore Athens today. We are just gonna walk around. We are gonna try to get this famous yogurt at Stani. It's a Greek yogurt that we're gonna get with honey and walnuts. Oh, I can't wait! Right off my chest. And we are supposed to go to Acropolis, but it's still closed. They open at 10:30 in the morning on Sunday. Okay, we thought to make it more fun today since it's our last day. We are gonna go speak English and Chinese and Tagalog. The only Chinese we know is he knows is Cantonese. So we're gonna attempt starting now. Hello mga kaibigan, mga friends ko, no, wala akong friends, pero kapag ikaw friends ko, okay lang. Hello mga kaibigan, pamilya ko, kumusta na kayo? Good morning, nandito kami sa Greece, last stop namin. Oh, this is Taglish by the way. Translate.
想晒天嚟呢度睇石頭 ，OK？ 好多石頭，舊石頭。
Please tell me that I can't.
Why does he sound so angry? Bakit gulat na gulat siya? Why is he so angry?
睇石頭。
Okay lang, kain na tayo sa Greek yogurt. Kapag kumain lang tayo sa Greek yogurt, okay lang siya. If we eat Greek yogurt, he'll be fine.
Yeah.
At tapos punta pa tayo sa Stani. Yung yogurt dun mas masarap. The Stani is very delicious. It's very well known here in Athens, so we don't want to miss that. No. It's like this, Opa. No? We're not here during the daylight, and this is what it looks like. Some ruins. Oh, the cool part is this one. Watch out, there's cockroach and poop on the floor sometimes. Yo, Jeepo. Wow. You wish your house is made out of this wall so your paparazzi would not go through? everyone, we are here in Stani. It was a family business that started in 1931, and we are gonna try their traditional yogurt with nuts. So excited. This is a traditional Greek yogurt here at Stani. It's supposed to be one of the best in Athens. It's so good. It's like, has like a sour kick in it, and the walnuts. It kind of reminds me of mixed with honey. It's like a caramelized walnut. It's really good. And honey, it looks like it's a lot, but I think it's actually about even balanced with the rest of the yogurt. Yeah. Fancy drink. It's like, looks like frappuccino, but I think it's called Fredodissimo. Fredodissimo. Wow. You want what?
You want some?
What? The drink or you? Okay, I'll take the drink. Alright, so Stan is right over there. Might look a little bit shady around here, but just come because the yogurt was really good. It has like the hint of sour taste in it, and the yogurt, the honey, and the walnuts really, ooh, why is it so dark? Goes along with it. Oh, hello. Hello. Goodbye. Alright. It's about 25 minutes from Acropolis by walk. So you guys should check it out. The policemen here are really fit. I guess it's all the Mediterranean diet. Oy, kain na tayo!
The bricks are oversized.
That's a lot of birds. What's this thing, Carol? Parang sarado dito. They're closed. Chinese are closed. How do you say closed in Chinese? Huh?
From
Yeah. Oh. They have like little stores here. Slightly cheaper, I think, than from previous islands we went to. Oh, yeah, I care about short stuff here because I heard people pickpockets here. Graffiti. Sunday, so I think they're having the antique fair or market. Wow. Oh, they had this in the Philippines, Opa.
well,
Yeah, this is how you get water. Like sometimes you have water at home, so you have to go get it from there. Wow. That's freaking awesome. Look at this. Wow. Here. Wow. Wow. Okay. Cheers, guys.